Welcome. If you've ever wanted to share a video with your friends or community on Instagram, but you're using the app on your PC, this guide is just for you. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to send a video to a group on Instagram using the latest update for the desktop app. Whether you're sharing a funny clip, an important announcement, or a memorable moment, you'll be able to do it in just a few clicks. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your chats and groups. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the Messages icon, which looks like a speech bubble or paper airplane. This will take you to your direct messages, where all your conversations are organized. Next, scroll through your list of chats to find the group you want to send the video to. Click on the group chat to open the conversation. At the bottom of the chat window, you'll notice the message bar where you usually type your messages. To the left of this bar, there's a small photo icon. Click on this icon to bring up the file selection window. Now, browse your computer and select the video you want to share. Once you've found it, click Open. The video will appear in your message bar, ready to be sent. If you want, you can add a caption or message to go along with your video. Finally, click the Send button. Your video will be delivered straight to the group, and everyone in the chat will be able to watch it instantly. It's that easy. With this new update, sharing videos with your Instagram group on PC is more convenient than ever. No need to transfer files to your phone or use complicated workarounds. Just follow these steps, and you'll be sharing your favorite moments in seconds. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech